Hi everyone, I'm Corbin and this is Blonde Process. So today I want to talk about my beautiful Anthurium Magnificum. I acquired this plant in my recent massive rare house plant unboxing. I'll put a link up on the screen for you guys. I was super excited when the seller showed me a picture of this plant because it's so big and beautiful, and it was also a really good value for money because it was about $27 US. My plant is now putting on some new growth, which is really exciting because I was so concerned about this plant because on the day when I planted into its pot, it was like a cold day and it was also raining, so I thought that there might be a chance that it might have a bit of root rot. Anthurium Magnificum is found exclusively in Colombia in South America. It has these beautiful big velvet leaves, extremely similar to Anthurium crystallinum and Anthurium Clarinervium. Anthurium Magnificum is a very easy to care for velvet anthurium. Similar to Anthurium Clarinervium, I'd say that you can easily grow this plant as a houseplant as long as you satisfy a few of its needs. This is definitely a bright light plant, but avoid direct sunlight as these leaves can easily burn. Place your plant somewhere where it will get bright indirect light, but avoid dark corners, otherwise your plant will not thrive. I fertilize my plant with organic fertilizers like kelp or worm castings, and it seems to respond extremely well to this. You can also use inorganic fertilizers like universal houseplant fertilizer, diluted at the recommended strength. I potted my plant into a well-draining mixture of Cococoea, sphagnum moss, orchid bark, and a small bit of perlite, which is ideal for anthuriums because it mimics the forest floor. I water my plant about once a week because it is in my study/grow rooms, so it does dry out quite quickly. How often you water your plant will of course depend on your unique growing conditions. I haven't noticed any pests on my plant as of yet, so I think it's quite similar to Anthurium Clarinervium, where they're not really attacked by pests because of their velvet leaves. I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also please subscribe to see more videos like this.